Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive through the independent city of Salem, Virginia on US Highway 11. We begin in the downtown area as US-11 makes a right turn onto South College Avenue. This was a completely unmarked turn, and we had to splice out an unexpected tour of the town in the last video where we missed this turn. If you're a channel member, you can see that little detour as a members only video. To join, click the link in the description. On the left is Virginia State Route 311, which unlike some state highways in Mississippi does not indicate an old alignment of US-11, despite having an 11 with a single-digit prefix. State Route 311 actually extends across state lines into West Virginia twice, retaining that same highway number. Here we encounter the alternate routes of US-11 and US-460 again, this time midway through. Based on more map study and feedback from viewers, I believe that the alternate route is actually the main line, since the route we're on was marked business at the end. But it was an anomaly that the only two options were business and alternate. Here, US-11 curves to the right away from College Street, and the name becomes Shanks Cross Street for a short distance. Shanks Cross Street is a diagonal connector between College Street and Colorado Street, and has an interesting name that I could find no history on. We turn left onto Colorado Street and head for the Roanoke River. In the past, US-11 was aligned on Colorado Street between here and Main Street. Here, after crossing the Roanoke River, Colorado Street continues straight and US-11 veers off to the left on Apperson Drive. We make another crossing of the Roanoke River on a very old bridge of indeterminate age. Although the bridge has a nice wide sidewalks, there are barrels at each end and a big yellow sign that says that the sidewalk is closed, with a QR code to scan for instructions on how to cross the river. There's a greenway path along the river for pedestrians and bicycles, and everything I've read seems to suggest that someone wanting to cross the river should take the greenway back to the Colorado Street Bridge, which has a dedicated bicycle and pedestrian path separated from automobile traffic by a barrier. But that's a long way to go just to get across, and I really can't see anything stopping a pedestrian from walking around the barrels and across the bridge here. We make our third crossing of the Roanoke River, and this bridge has a visible year engraved into the end of the guardrail of 1942. The style of the railing seems to be exactly the same as the last bridge, and presumably they were built around the same time. We enter the independent city of Roanoke, and the highway name changes to Brandon Avenue. We'll talk more about Roanoke in the next video. We're just going to finish this mile out. We'll conclude today's video at mile 146. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.